Why does vegetable gardening matter in today's world? Let's dive right in. Vegetable gardening, my friends, is more than just a hobby, it's an investment. An investment in your health, your wallet, and our dear planet Earth. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato that you've grown yourself. The taste, the freshness, it's incomparable. Not to mention the satisfaction of knowing that you're consuming something free of harmful pesticides. That's the health benefit of vegetable gardening. And let's talk about savings. A small packet of seeds can yield a bounty of produce, saving you a significant amount at the grocery store. But perhaps the most profound benefit is the positive environmental impact. Each plant you grow absorbs carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and releases oxygen. Even homeowners with the smallest of spaces can contribute to this green movement. Gardening not only provides fresh produce but also promotes a healthier lifestyle and a greener environment. Starting a vegetable garden might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. All you need is a little bit of planning and preparation. Firstly, choosing the right location is crucial. You're looking for a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Most vegetables need ample sunlight to grow well. If you're in the northern hemisphere, a south-facing location would be ideal. If you're in an apartment or have limited space, don't fret. Container gardening can be a great option too. With the right care, even a small balcony can yield a surprising amount of fresh produce. Next, let's talk about preparing the soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. The ideal soil for most vegetables is rich in organic matter and well-draining. You can enrich your soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure. If you're container gardening, consider buying a good quality potting mix. Remember, soil preparation isn't a one-time job. It's something you'll need to do regularly to keep your soil healthy and fertile. Now it's time to select your vegetables. This is where you need to consider both the season and your specific location's climate. Some vegetables, like lettuce and peas, prefer cooler weather and can be planted in early spring or fall. Others, like tomatoes and peppers, need warm weather and should be planted in late spring or early summer. If you're unsure about what to plant when, your local garden center or extension service can be a great resource. Finally, don't forget about watering. Most vegetables need a steady supply of moisture. Too little water can stunt growth, while too much can lead to diseases. As a general rule, give your garden about an inch of water per week, but adjust as necessary based on your climate and the weather. With the right preparation, you can set your garden up for success. Remember, every great garden started from a single seed, so why not plant yours today? A flourishing garden requires care and attention. There's a certain rhythm to maintaining a vegetable garden, a series of ongoing tasks that, while they may seem mundane, actually play a crucial role in the life cycle of your plants. It's a dance of sorts, a tango between you and nature, and these tasks are your steps. First up, we have watering. It's the lifeblood of your garden, the fuel your plants need to grow. But it's not just about turning on the hose and dousing your plants. The art of watering lies in understanding that different plants have different water needs. Some thrive on daily hydration, while others prefer their soil a bit on the dry side. It's all about finding that balance, providing just the right amount of water to keep your plants thriving without drowning their roots. Next, we have weeding. It's a task that many gardeners dread, but it's an essential part of maintaining a healthy vegetable garden. Weeds are the unwanted guests at your garden party, crowding out your plants and hogging all the nutrients. Regular weeding keeps these intruders at bay, allowing your vegetables to flourish without competition. Then there's pest control. Bugs, birds, and other critters may find your garden just as appealing as you do, but their idea of enjoying your vegetables involves eating them, not admiring them. Organic pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using natural repellents, can help keep these garden gatecrashers in check without resorting to harmful chemicals. Lastly, there's the task of pruning and staking. This not only helps your plants grow in the right direction, but also ensures they get enough sunlight and air circulation. Pruning also helps in removing any diseased or pest-infested parts of the plant, promoting overall plant health. These tasks, taken together, form the heart of garden maintenance. They may require a bit of elbow grease, but the reward is well worth the effort. After all, there's nothing quite like the taste of a tomato you've grown yourself, or the scent of fresh herbs plucked straight from your garden. Maintaining your garden is a labor of love that yields fruitful results. The most rewarding part of vegetable gardening is undoubtedly the harvest. It's a moment of pride, a testament to your hard work and patience. But how do you know when it's time? Well, each vegetable has its own telltale signs. Tomatoes, for instance, are ready when they're uniformly colored and slightly soft to touch. Carrots, on the other hand, are good to go when their tops peek out from the soil and are about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. And remember, when harvesting, be gentle to avoid damaging the plants or their roots. And what to do with this bounty? The possibilities are endless. From cooking up a storm in the kitchen with fresh, flavorful ingredients, to preserving them by canning, freezing, or drying for future use. You could even share your surplus with friends, family, or a local food bank. Harvesting your own vegetables is a gratifying experience that makes all the effort worthwhile. Vegetable gardening is a journey that brings numerous benefits. It's not just about the fresh, vibrant produce that graces your table. It's about the connection with nature, the sense of achievement, and the cultivation of wellness. Today, we've walked through the garden path together, from understanding why vegetable gardening is a worthwhile endeavor to how you can embark on this fulfilling journey. We've also discussed the nurturing aspect of gardening, emphasizing the importance of consistency and care in maintaining your little green haven. We touched on the techniques that can help keep your plants healthy and thriving. And of course, the sweetest part of this journey is the harvest. That moment when you pluck the fruits, or rather the vegetables of your labor. The taste of a homegrown vegetable is a reward in itself, a testament to your effort and dedication. Remember, every gardener was once a beginner. You have what it takes to start your own vegetable garden and reap the rewards it brings.